Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have made so many videos on how to draw flowers. So I decided to make a video on how to use what we have learned yet and make some interesting composition using those flowers.
In my series ABCD of Drawing, I have taught the basic steps of how to draw flowers. It's like we have learned to write the alphabets, and today we are going to try to make some beautiful words out of those. You can download some pictures of hands holding flowers from the internet, or you can use your own hands as reference. Just take a few pictures of your hand holding a pen, and you can use that picture as the reference for your drawing. My fingers are quite fat, so I decided to use some online reference for my drawings. First, we are going to draw the hand using a reference, and then we are going to draw some circles and ovals where we want our flowers to be. This will help to have an idea of the placement and alignment of our drawing. And then we are going to draw the flowers. You can either draw a bunch of same flowers, or you can make a combination of your favorite flowers. I think these drawings will make very beautiful greeting cards.
much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to watch more videos like this. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.